In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to ear speaker on Emo. If you want to listen to your Emo voice calls more privately, using the ear speaker instead of the loudspeaker is the best option. This is especially useful when you're in a public place or when you simply want the call audio to come through the small earpiece at the top of your phone, just like a regular phone call. To get started, begin a voice call on Emo or answer an incoming one. Once the call is connected, you can switch the audio to the ear speaker very easily. In many cases, Emo and your phone will do this automatically for you. After the call starts, hold the phone up to your ear. On most devices, the screen will dim and the sound should automatically move from the loudspeaker to the ear speaker. This happens because your phone detects that it's being held close to your face and changes the audio output for a more natural calling experience. If the audio switches correctly, you're all set. You can continue your conversation normally with the sound coming through the earpiece instead of the louder external speaker. If it does not switch and the call is still playing through loudspeaker, look at the call screen and find the speaker icon. Tap that icon to turn speaker mode off. Once speaker mode is disabled, the audio should come through the ear speaker when you hold the phone to your ear. A helpful tip here is to make sure you're on a voice call screen when checking for the speaker button, since that is where the audio controls are usually shown. Also, holding the phone properly against your ear can help the phone's sensor recognize what you want it to do. This process is simple, but it's useful to know because sometimes speaker mode may stay enabled from a previous call or get turned on by mistake. Turning it off manually gives you more control over how you hear the conversation. So to recap, start or answer your Emo voice call, hold the phone to your ear, and the sound should switch automatically to the ear speaker. If it doesn't, tap the speaker icon to turn loudspeaker off. That's how to switch to ear speaker on Emo during a voice call.